I gave life to the game. It's only right. I got the right to be king.
What's up, YouTube? So normally I start these videos off with the before shot, but come on, YouTube, I got a little anxious with this one. YouTube. So what you're looking at is a 1982 BMW 528i. Now this is just a basic paint job. No flakes, no pearls, no candy, nothing like that. But it is also wearing the Grant 7 Factory Fresh Clear. So this is for people who don't want to pay for that extra wetness. People don't even need it. You just want your car to look good. That's what this is for. This is for basic paint jobs. If you just want to freshen up your car and you want to bring it back to showroom new, this is the clear for you. Now, if you want your car to be better than showroom new, you need that Oh My. Anybody will tell you that Oh My is better than a new car shine. But if you just want that new car shine, this is the clear for you. Now, this is off the gun. As always, this is off the gun. You sprayed it, that's it. It's done. But this is the Factory Fresh Clear. And now you see why I call it Factory Fresh. Got this old Beamer looking new, like fresh off the showroom floor. Look at it. Woo! Anyway, YouTube, that's it. I just wanted to introduce you guys formally to that Factory Fresh Clear. Now, I haven't released it yet, but I will be shortly. But the thing about it is, I just want you to get another look. Thing about it is, I want to be clear so you guys understand that this is not the Oh My Clear. As always, I appreciate you guys' support. And on that note, let's get to the video.